Hey guys, Sarmila is here and today I'm talking about how to make paper spreader. So here I'm using A4 size sheet and I need to equal size. So I bring it here and I cut it the rest of the part. So after that it's going to like that. So see, and this folding you leave it this folding like that and you fold this way. Okay, so see, there is 2 points and here is 1, so leave it 1 there and there's 2 point, you cut it here till here, so don't go all through the way and I will tell you how to. So see, one piece I already cut it here and bring it like, you need to equal size basically, because if you are going to so much thin, so much things, so that you see they're different, it's not going to fine piece, but if you are going to equal, that is exactly same that one you want to do. So see, like this way, so make sure I cut it this way, I don't go in through that way, this way. So basically sometime in starting you might be confused and you cut it this way. Don't worry, you can use different paper and you can start again. So after cutting, it's going to look like here this. So it's going to look like that. I open it that. So after opening it's after opening, see. So after opening it's look like that. So what you do? See, hold the right place and take the middle part, bring it like a round shape, and you can use any pencil in middle of that, so it's going to little curve. So put glue here and paste it, you can see it properly. So after, there's so many scripts here, so what you do, leave it this one and pick one, so drop one, pick one, kind of like that, and bring it here and bring it here, put glue and paste it. So keep going like that, and after that it's going to finish one part, it's going like that. So rest of I leave one part and I will do this one. So what happen after that, same pattern you can do this side. So this side you already did that side, so you don't need to anything, so you keep moving all the, so basically you do all these things, keep like that, put glue and press it. So leave it some time because it's taking time to dry, and after finishing, see, it's look like that. So this is my front part, this is my back part. After finishing it's going to like same. So see, so you can decorate your house, party, birthday party or something, and so you can hang like that in the wall, so it's going to keep moving like that, so it's look like very attractive basically. So size, I use a big size because visibility is more showing these things, and you going to like sometime you see some things and you see, oh, this is very nice, I can make it this one. But if you're using small paper and small, so small things is not going to more attractive, and like something is, you need to something eye catching, right? So that's why I'm using big paper. So guys, you can try at home, and please like my video, share my video, and thanks for watching my video, and see you again in my next video. Bye.